Hello friends! Today again we are going to read through the Bible. We are on day 5 today. So, Gabi, would you like to read?
On day 5, God
made birds
to fly
in
in the sky.
On day 5, God made birds to fly in the sky. Would you like to translate? On day 5,
În ziua 5, Dumnezeu a făcut păsările
ca să
zboare
pe
cer.
Pe cer, sigur că da. In the sky, pe cer. Would you like to draw a flamingo?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's try. So you've got marker and paper. Okay. And also paper for me. And let's start. Okay, if you can put it here. Let's begin with an eye. A little circle and here also. Okay. And now the beak. Beak înseamnă ciocul. Starting from here, like this. Okay, very good. And another line, similar. Okay, and a little one here. Very good. Okay. And something like a roof, acoperiș. Okay, well done. And now we are going to draw a long line like this, like number 2. Okay, very good. A short line here. I like it. And now a parallel line here. Okay, and the back. The tail. And now let's link them. The wing, aripa. And a leg. And another leg here. Like a V, ca un V. And here, so, okay, very good. What day is this? God made the birds in day 5 or 4?
4.
No.
5.
5. So let's right here, number 5, day 5. And now, let's color it. What color should it be? Pink, yellow, red? Pink or yellow or red? Yellow? The flamingo is not yellow. Let's look here. So the flamingo is pink. So please. So you like, of course you like yellow, but let's pick pink this time. Wow. Are you sure you want that color? Isn't this better? As you wish. As you wish. Okay. Let's do it. And the legs should be
Yellow.
yellow or orange.
Yellow.
Okay, I will pick this color. And the beak, would you like to be yellow or orange? Like mine. Yellow. Okay. Very nice flamingo. Let's show to our friends. Okay, bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye.